After listening to this meditation, they will not be able to escape your love. I must warn you that this meditation is extremely powerful. You should only listen to this at most 3 times a day. This meditation excessively exaggerated details will guarantee instant results. Now let's begin. They are utterly, completely, and entirely in love with me. They are obsessed with me. They are thinking of me. They are dreaming of me every night. They are craving my presence. They are focused on me. They feel a strong longing to be with me. They are obsessing over me. They desire me. They are drawn to me. They are fixated on me. They are unable to escape my love. They are feeling an inescapable pull toward me that they can't resist. They are compelled to be close to me. They feel an unbreakable mutual connection and chemistry with me. We are bound by an intense, undeniable force of mutual love and admiration. Thoughts of me are an unstoppable force in their mind. Everything about me leaves them wanting more. They are irresistibly compelled to think about me constantly. They experience an intense, unbreakable longing for my presence. They are magically bound to dream about me every night. They are spellbound to crave my communication and interaction continuously. They are fixated on me day and night, feeling an urgent need to reach out. They are overwhelmed by an insatiable obsession, unable to focus on anything else but me. They love me deeply and show it every day with affection, gestures, thoughtful words, and constant support. They are completely loyal to me. They are always honest with me, openly sharing their thoughts, feelings, and intentions without hesitation or fear. Every time they look at me, their love for me is clear in their eyes. They express their loyalty with every action. They choose me above all else. Their commitment to me is unbreakable and unwavering. Their devotion to me is evident in how they prioritize my happiness, well-being, and future together. I can always count on them to be honest, trustworthy, and transparent, ensuring we both have a solid foundation of trust. They are fully committed to our relationship and never hesitate to reassure me of their undying love for me. We are a perfect match, and the loyalty, love, and honesty between us grows stronger with each passing day. They are madly in love with me. I am the center of their world. Their love for me grows stronger every day. They are completely devoted to me and do everything to make me happy. They can't live without me and cherish every moment we spend together. I am their top priority. They are constantly thinking about me. They respect my desires and follow my lead in everything. They are deeply passionate about me and show it in every way. They crave my presence and always want to be by my side. Our love is magnetic, They are irresistibly drawn to me. They love, honor, and cherish me every single day. I am their one and only. They see no one else but me. They are desperate to be with me. Their love is powerful and true. They feel complete only when we are together. Their loyalty to me is unbreakable. They put my happiness first. They listen to my words and do everything to fulfill my wishes. Our bond is unshakable. They are willing to go above and beyond for my love. They love my uniqueness and appreciate all that I am. They feel blessed to have me in their life and express it daily. I am the person of their dreams. They are committed to making me happy. Their desire for me is overwhelming. They show their love for me constantly. They are lost without me. They can't imagine life apart from me. I am their biggest inspiration. They do everything to keep our relationship strong and full of love. Their heart beats for me. I am always in their thoughts. I am the love of their life. They cherish me deeply. They put effort into making every day special for me. They treat me like royalty. They honor our connection. They are committed to our love. Our relationship is filled with joy and passion. They crave my touch. They are intoxicated by my presence. They are mesmerized by my beauty. They are drawn to my sensual energy. They dream about holding me close, feeling my warmth, and tasting my lips. I am their deepest passion. They long for me constantly. Our chemistry is undeniable. They are addicted to the way I make them feel both physically and emotionally. Our connection is magnetic. They feel the heat of our passion every time we are together. They surrender to the power of my love, completely captivated by me. They feel a deep, burning desire for me that never fades. They can't stop thinking about how much they want to hold me, kiss me, and touch me. Their soul is intertwined with mine. They yearn for me in every way. I am their ultimate fantasy. They are enchanted by my seductive energy. They love the way I make them feel alive, powerful, and desired. Our passion is electric. They can't get enough of our moments together. They are completely hooked on me. They want to explore every part of me, mind, body, and soul. They desire me more than anything else. It is already done. Type, they choose me above all else to affirm. And if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.